When we talk about the term fiat means by government decree, which essentially just means that government says that's one value, gives it value, military rule of law. So when I look at that and people say, oh, Bitcoin is just fake internet money. Well, so is the US dollar, right? It's just backed by government saying that this is value it holds. So for me, I'd rather take a chance on something that is scarce, and I see all these companies, Fidelity, BlackRock, they're buying this thing and holding these amounts. They're not doing this because it's fake or this work or it's not valuable. When I was a banker, we used to always say, don't worry about what people say, look at what people value to. So I've always been happy for that. So when I look at Bitcoin every day, I look on the news and I see some new company, whether it's BlackRock, Fidelity, or a billionaire, or 9% buying into Bitcoin every chance to get. That's the light bulb going off and do. Like, I need to do the same thing. I need to follow the money guys. So Bitcoin for me has always been something that I'm really interested in the market and see the billionaires buying in, and I'm just going to follow suit.